Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to explain about MLKit and show the integration steps. Huawei MLKit is a mobile SDK that provides diversified leading machine learning capabilities that are easy to use, helping you develop various AI apps throughout a wide range of industries. If you want to watch the previous videos on MLKit, please check the link below. In this video, we will introduce the Image Super Resolution service. This service provides 1x and 3x super resolution capabilities. 1x super resolution removes the compression noise, and 3x super resolution not only effectively suppresses the compression noise but also provides a 3x enlargement capability. By using this service, the low quality images received in a flaky network can be improved and a larger and clearer image can be obtained. Before using the Image Super Resolution service, you need to convert images into bitmaps in ARGB format. Now, let us get coding.
Open and sign in to Huawei developer website. Go to console, App Gallery Connect and open My Apps. Click on New App, enter the relevant information, select Add to Project and click OK to create a project. Go to My Projects, click on OK to move to next screen. Select manually, enter the package name and save. Set the data storage location. Add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then download agconnectservices.json file. Add agconnectservices.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in App Gallery. Open project level build.gradle file. Add the Maven repositories under build script and old project section. Also add the class path. Open application level build.gradle file. Add the latest version of MLKit Image Super Resolution library under the dependencies section. Open the Android manifest file and add the required permission. Open the layout XML file of the application. Add an image view inside scroll view. Add buttons. Open the main activity of the application. Request for permissions. Set the click listeners for the buttons. Get the bitmap of the image shown. Compress it and set to image view again. Initialize the ML Image Super Resolution Analyzer setting object. Set the scale view. Get the ML Image Super Resolution Analyzer object. Get the ML frame of the compressed bitmap object.
Call the async analyze frame method to asynchronously analyze the image. On the success callback, get the ML image super resolution result object, get the bitmap and set it to image view.
After getting the result, stop the ML Image Super Resolution Analyzer. Now the coding is completed.
Let's try it out. To do that, open newly installed app, click on compress image. The image displayed will be compressed and set in the image view. Tap on enlarge. It will suppress the compression noise and the 3x enlarged super resolution image will be set. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.